Yesterday we completed exercise 7.6 question number 3. Today we are going to continue question number 4, which we are going to write in copy only, children. Though it is full in the blanks, but there are calculations, so it is better to write in copy. So the first question is dash minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Now we don't know what will come here. Okay, something, which number will come here we don't know, right? So let's take an example for this. Okay, let's take an example for this. Dash माइनस, छोटा एग्जांपल लेते हैं जो हमको आसानी से समझा सके कि हमको करना क्या है. ओके, इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट दिस हियर इन रफ वर्क. ओके, दिस इज योर रफ वर्क. Instead of writing it here, I'll write it here. अरे हाँ, एग्जाम्पल करना है. एग्जाम्पल डैश माइनस 2 is equal to 4. Dash minus 2 is equal to 4. Now children, very easily you will tell me what number here. Okay, you know why? Because these numbers are very very small. It is very easy for you to do them. Okay, so here what will come? I'm sure you must be saying 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. ऐसा ही कुछ हमको यहाँ भी करना है. Okay, now how to get this number? How to get this number here? बस हमको वही नहीं पता है. ठीक है, तो कैसे पता लगाएंगे? Now you see here from these two numbers. From these two numbers, can you say how you will, means what kind of solution you will write here so that your answer is equal to 6. ये number जो है यहाँ आ जाए. Okay, it's a fact. What fact can you give? Simple. If you add 2 and 4, what will come? 6. Yes. So if you do 2 plus 4, or you can say 4 plus 2, it is what? 6. Correct? That means इस 2 को हम 4 के पास shift कर देते हैं. And whenever we change the number side, or you can say any expressions side, that is from left hand side to right hand side. This is left hand side, equals to के left side पे, so it is left हमारे left side पे, that means equals to के left side पे, तो left hand side equals to के right side पे, that means right hand side. So if this 2 will go to the right hand side, what happen? What will happen? This is what? This is minus 2. It will become what? It will become plus 2. Correct? Yes. So to find out this 6, what we do? We do 2 plus 4. Similarly, to find out this number, what to do? We shift this number here. Yes, that means this. Now we get this number. Yes, yes, we will get this number. Now that means we have to add these two fractions. Now how to add these two fractions? What is the first thing that we check? The first thing that we check is the denominator. The denominator has to be same. Are the denominators same here? No, the denominators are not same here. Can you make them same? Yes, you will say, ma'am, by interchanging and multiplying. That means 8 multiplies this side and 4 multiplies this side. Instead, if you multiply something here, will you get 8? Is it possible? 4 into something will give you 8. Yes, 4 2s are 8. So instead of interchanging and multiplying, we just use a common factor method. Yes, we multiply with a common factor of 4 and 8. Yes? Yes. So 2 ones are 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Now taking the denominator common, we add the numerator. So answer is what? 7 by 8. Okay. So this is how we class 7th if you pass. Okay, if you pass. Got it? I am not saying that it's general promotion because I know nothing about it right now. Supposing if you pass, okay, 90% will pass, no problem. So you will reach class 7. So all these things now, small concepts you will be needing in class 7. तो तब याद नहीं आएगा तो आप क्या करोगे? कॉपी खोल के देख सकते हो आसानी से ना, right? So you maintain your class 6th copy for your class 7th, and then maintain your class 6th and 7th maths copy for your class 8th, and then maintain your class 6th, 7th and 8th की maths copy for class 9. अगर आप ये 4 साल अच्छे से पढ़ लोगे ना, 10th, 11th, 12th will be very very easy for you. I am telling you this. Okay? चलो, so wait, बहुत हो गया, बहुत speech खेल लिया. Let's start with B. B is what? Dash minus 5 by 8. अरे 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. So now we are going to start B part. It is just like A. Yes, just like A. So what to do? Shift this here, right? So let's do it. Here. Now what? Check the denominators. Are the denominators same, children? Are the denominators same? No. You have to make them same. Now what to do? Again you will say, ma'am, interchanging, since there are only two fractions, simply we interchange and we multiply. So that's correct. We will interchange and multiply because this will not use the common factor method. Now see, are the denominators same now? Yes. So taking the denominators common, what to do? We just simply add the numerators. So the answer will be 7 by 10. This completes the B part. Okay, now we do the C part. Now, again, I am making the rough work. You must be thinking up क्यों rough work? क्यों rough work? Because अब blank की जगह change हो गई है ना? अब फिर हमको नहीं समझ में आएगा यहाँ कौन सा नंबर आना है. So what to do? Again we take the same example. This time 6 minus dash is equal to 4. Correct? अब इस dash को पता लगाने के लिए हमको इन दोनों के साथ क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्या करना पड़ेगा? You know what will come here? You know, obviously you know that 2 will come here. But how to get this 2? This 2, how to get this 2? There has to be something done with these two. What? Subtraction, right? That means 6 minus 4 will give us 2. अब इसको हम दूसरे तरीके से देखते हैं. दूसरे तरीके से means कैसे इसको जगह चेंज करेंगे तो ये solution हमको मिलेगा. कैसे जगह चेंज करेंगे? Now this 2, if this is negative, तो सबसे पहले इसका negative sign हटाने के लिए इसको हम यहाँ shift कर देते हैं. This is minus, it becomes plus. So 6 is equal to 4 plus dash. ठीक है? Minus becomes plus, correct? But what? How to get this dash's answer? This 4 we shift here. How? Got it? That means we have to subtract. See what I explained. तो ये example का भी rough column है. ठीक है? Rough column का भी rough column है. Okay? To know how to subtract. ठीक है? So first thing what we do? What we did? First thing we removed the minus from the blank by shifting the blank to to the right side. Then we brought this 4 this side to find out what will come in the blank. Okay. So first this blank became positive, and then this 4 shifted on the LHS, and then this became negative. Okay. Simple. So what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction between 6 and 4. 6 and 4 means the known fractions. What are the known fractions? These two are the known fractions, right? That means we have to do subtraction here. So let's start. According to the example or preferring the example, यही चीज करी ना हमने, ब्लैंक को पॉजिटिव कर दिया यहाँ लाके एंड इस नंबर को नेगेटिव कर दिया यहाँ लाके. करेक्ट. नाउ we have to subtract the two fractions. How to subtract, children? First thing, what to do? We have to check the denominators. Are the denominators same? No, the denominators are not same. So we have to make them same. How we are going to make them same? Anything common in between them? First and foremost, yes. If we multiply what? 3 here. 2 3s will give you 6. So, taking the denominators common, we subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1 gives us 2 by 6. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6, bringing it in its lowest term. Okay. So answer is what? Either 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. So this completes your question number 4. Question number 5 we are going to continue tomorrow. Hari Bandhu.